Design. The BT-60 is new nameplate, but some exciting design language could be used. Mazda recently updated its crossovers and SUVs. The latest one debuted a few months ago, the CX-90. The truck will share a few things with the SUV. On the other hand, a unibody concept is not the perfect solution for towing. Instead, the 2025 Mazda BT-60 should use a ladder frame. The only other Mazda with such architecture is the BT-40. The truck maker replaced a unibody concept in 2021, and that immediately increased sales. The BT-60 might be a compact pickup. This is an emerging segment with only a few models already available. Ford Maverick and Hyundai Santa Cruz are pioneers. Although criticized before a launch, a pickup achieved good sales and drew a lot of attention. Engine. The US truck needs a proper drivetrain. The new i6 is perfect suit for the 2025 Mazda BT-60. A 3.3-liter turbocharged petrol unit is already confirmed for the big CX-90 SUV. It can deliver 350 HP and 370 lb-ft of torque when premium fuel is used. Even with normal gas, you can get 320 horsepower and 360 pound-feet. The drivetrain uses Sky Active technology, one of the best things of Mazdas. The 2025 Mazda BT-60 release date and price. The 2025 Mazda BT-60 is not ready for the premiere yet. The company needs to confirm plans, although it is sometimes better to stay under the radar because of the competition. We believe the BT-60 is in the first stage of development. Something close to the production vehicle should be ready late in 2024. Only the company will be willing to make a big announcement.